all together, y'all. Stay tuned real quick. Don't turn away. If you want to know what an LLC is, when to get it, how to use it, and what is the benefits of it, stay tuned, man. Don't go nowhere. And make sure you like and subscribe. What's good, y'all? I'm Hood Pencil Pusher, and I'm the creator of a financial literacy resource institution, and that's what Hood Pencil Pusher is. We teach business startup, business acceleration, credit control, not credit repair, and also investing. All of this is possible by me withholding and attaining multiple degrees in financial institutions at million-dollar companies, which gives me resources to access trade accounts, trust accounts, capital funding for business, anything that you may need. But let's move on to the video. An LLC is something that makes you not reliable for anything that happens, basically. And then that's just to make it simple how we do it here at Hood Pencil Pusher. It's called a limited liability company, meaning that when you go to sue a person, you only can sue the company. And then just to move straight right forward, there's a couple of my famous places where I love to get an LLC at, and that is LegalZoom and Inc. Authority. These two places is one of my two favorite places to get a LLC established at, is because at Inc. Authority, they give you a $600 Brinks business credit card, so you instantly can establish business credit when you establish your LLC at Inc. Authority, which is ran by our favorite Damon John, who invented FUBU. And another place that I like is LegalZoom. I like LegalZoom because LegalZoom comes with on hand automatically lawyers that'll help you process anything that is going on or any problems that you may have. And also, LegalZoom takes a payment plan for your LLC of $150 a month for people that may not have the whole $600 right up front. Excuse me. And then also, now let's move on to the next step. When should you get an LLC? Well, you should get an LLC as soon as you think about making money off of something, no matter what it is. It could be a hobby, it could be a side hustle, it could just be drawing. No matter what it is, you could be buying houses. Also, you can be buying a house, because it's not good to put a house on your personal side. But that's not what this video is about. But these are all of the reasons why you should go and obtain an LLC to make you not responsible for these things. And the benefit of an LLC would be is now you can go and get corporation coverage when you go and get things. So let's just say if you went and you got a house real quick, and then instead of getting insurance, you got a policy. A policy is way better because the policy could easily go up to $2 million. That means, let's say if somebody was living in your residence and got hurt, you just took away all of those problems. When a person think that you're suing a person, you're not suing the person. You're suing their policy company, and then you're suing their LLC. And that is the reasons when you should get an LLC, why you should get an LLC, and that is the benefits of an LLC. Man, this is Hood Pencil Pusher, y'all, all together. And go get your LLC. Don't leave that hobby as a hobby. Let it make you rich.